Hi, I'm Nadia Dunn. Welcome to IDX TV. We're here at the Package Fulfillment, Logistics and Delivery Expo in Cincinnati. I'm joined by Jamie from JLC Industrial. Jamie, thank you so much for being here.
It's my pleasure. Thank you for having me.
Now, can you tell us a bit about JLC Industrial and your new arm, JLC Robotics?
Yes, ma'am. So JLC Industrial was started in 2009 as a manufacturer's representative firm / solutions firm. And we go into industries and try and help people solve problems in lifting, ergonomics, tooling, quality control, and conveyance. And that parlayed into earlier this year where we started JLC Robotics as we partnered with a company called Doog out of Japan with some autonomous mobile robots. And we had checked with our biggest customer, Toyota, who had purchased them in Japan. They liked them, so we went ahead and jumped on board.
And tell us about automation over the last couple of years and the new technologies that are coming in with it.
So the automation is really ramping up, and I believe that with the labor shortage, people who really used to throw just labor at problems are really starting to look at automation. But I think that sometimes they get sticker shock or they may not have the infrastructure to support it, but they are needing it and realizing a use for it. Again, the labor shortage has really ramped that up.
And what other challenges is the industry facing, and how are companies overcoming those?
Well, again, back to automation. Again, I think that a lot of people who didn't understand it or really weren't interested in it because there was plenty of people are now at the door saying, hey, tell me about this. Show me what you've got. How can you help me? And I believe they're coming to people like us in our industry saying, well, what is it that you do that can solve this problem or that problem?
And you must have quite a close relationship then with the warehouses and warehouse management systems, right?
Not necessarily warehouse management systems, but with warehouses, yes. So they're the ones that have the problems. I think the management systems get into how do you control it and pull data and things like that. But we're more feet on the ground looking at mechanical or ergonomic issues, quality issues, things of that nature, and trying to bring a solution to that.
And what's the big thing that people are talking about at the moment? Is it the vertical conveyance?
Vertical conveyance is there for what I'm seeing. It's more how do you not have as many touch points? So if you have a tractor trailer come in with a 53-foot load, instead of normally using a high load to pick it off, take it over here, later on, go back and get it, I've seen that they're now streamlining that complete process to just unload it and take it where, get the conveyance system or process just more streamlined so there's not as many touch points. But with that, they're also trying to be very diligent about safety because then you're adding a lot more motion and you have to keep people safe.
Absolutely. And what about this event? What's the key takeaway for you from this?
Oh, key takeaway from this. Well, first of all, the people who've put on the show have done a phenomenal job. I think they've brought the people. I think they've marketed it. I think that people who, again, have problems or challenges are here looking for solutions. There's a wide breadth of vendors to be able to take care of that. You know, there is some overlap, but from what I've seen walking around, there's a lot of different solution vendors here, and so they're not stepping on each other's toes too much. So that's a big takeaway for me.
And what does JLC Robotics get from coming to the event?
Well, we'll see. But we've met some really nice people, and it's just an opportunity for us to share the technology. Again, this is new to a lot of people, and they don't understand how it can help them. And so we've seen some light bulbs go off. And when they do, then people are like, here's my card. Make sure you call me. And from there, we'll go in, and hopefully the light bulbs go off with the same people or their people as it did for them. But it's for us, it's being able to share the technology, meet new people, but also hear their challenges, and maybe we'll use those at a later date.
Great. Well, thank you for your time, Jamie. It's been great to meet you.
It's my pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And thank you for watching IDX TV, brought to you by CCL.